Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 8, changing the font text on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft PowerPoint. So we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Documents, navigate to the folder called PowerPoint, go to work.pptx, double click on this. Let's just wait for that to load, minimize Finder for the moment, maximize the PowerPoint presentation, go to the next slide. In the previous tutorial, I did insert text into the PowerPoint slide. Let's now highlight. We can right click, or what we can do is just highlight all the text, go to the top navigation menu where we have home, click on the font, and now we can change to a different font of our choice. Let's just keep it simple. Let's just change to Arial, and there we go on screen. The font has changed from what it was to Arial now. Let's change again to Gil Sans, and that has changed. If we wish to remove from bold, we can do that. Let's just go back to bold. Let's just change to Arial. Command S to save. Decrease the size of the PowerPoint window. So let's quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.